Hello everyone. I want to share something beautiful story with you, with our beautiful viewers and subscribers about Xmas. Xmas is a season of light, love, and little miracles. Tonight I want to share with you a heartwarming story, a story about a forgotten lantern, a small town, and one little girl who reminded everyone what Xmas truly means. In a snowy valley of Everglow, winter always arrived already early. Every roof was covered with white frosting, every window painted with cool mist, and every heart waited for the Everglow Xmas evening festival. A night when the whole town gathered to light lantern of hope. But this year something was different. People were busy, tired, and distracted. Shops were quieter, smiles were shorter, and Xmas spirit seems to be disappeared like warm breath in a cold air. In the corner house at the end of Maple Street lived a little girl named Leela. She was 8 years old, with bright eyes and red woolen cap, and the biggest heart in Everglow. Leela loved Xmas more than everyone, but this year she felt a strange sadness in the air. No one had decorated their homes. No one shared cookies at the bakery. No one talked about the festival. Why has everyone forgotten Xmas? She wondered. One cold evening, while searching the attic, Leela found a dusty wooden box. Inside it was an old brass lantern, scratched, rusty, but magical in its own way. Her grandmother smiled softly. Ah, that lantern, it belonged to your grandfather. He used to say this lantern glowed brightest when someone filled it with love. Leela gently cleaned it, polished it, and placed a small candle inside. But when she lit it, nothing happened. No glow, no sparkle, just a silent flame flickering in darkness. Still, she whispered, I will make you shine again, I promise. The next morning, Leela put on her boots and walked house to house in the snow. She baked cookies for the old baker. She helped Mrs. Willow carry firewood. She gave warm mittens to children who had none. She had little paper stars on doorsteps, each with a message. Don't forget the magic of Xmas. Slowly, something beautiful happened. People smiled again. Shop lit up tiny fairy lights. Children played outside. Everglow felt warm for the first time in months. When Xmas evening arrived, the townspeople gathered in the snowy square, something they had not done in years. But as the mayor stepped forward to start the festival, the main lantern, the huge and hung in the center, failed to light. The crowd murmured in disappointment. Just then Leela stepped forward with her tiny lantern. It was still dull, barely glowing, but she lifted it with hope. As Leela held up her lantern, a soft wind circled the square, lifted snowflakes into a gentle dance, and then, right before everyone's eyes, the old lantern glowed, not weak, not dim, but with a warm golden light that shimmered like 1,000 stars. One by one, every lantern in the square flickered, then glowed brighter and brighter until Everglow was shining like Xmas dreams. The townspeople gasped. The mayor whispered, the little girl reminded us Xmas is not about decoration, it's about light, the light we give each others. That night Everglow glowed more brightly than it ever had before, and Leela's lantern, the lantern that refused to shine, until love filled with the town, became a symbol of generations to come. Every Xmas, the little people of Glow